All right, guys, this is Solomon from NFX and Crypto. As you can see, I had two accounts and we're talking about taking a buy and a sell. And I used one account to sell, one account to buy. The buy is in profit right now. Let me just show it to you guys. Where is it? Oh yeah. Okay. The buy is in 9,000 profit so far, but on my second account I took a sell. Okay, we're still logging in. Yeah, let it just load. Okay, so this one I took a sell. So what I'm doing is hedging it. Like I said, hedging is the best way to save your account. What is hedging? Hedging is not accepting a loss, but instead making profits to cover your loss. So you can always compound your account very, very fast and very, very quick, instead of having losses pulling you back all the time, or actually just wiping you out or keeping you in the same position for months. So thanks to my AI software, okay, it does the analysis for me, coming very soon on TradingView, very, very soon, in a few days, I promise. So anybody with any broker and any account can use it wherever you are in the world. So you'll begin to see key features of the AI, including real-time market analysis and pattern recognition. Yes, real-time, user-friendly interface because it's on TradingView. You can customize a lot of things for scalping and swing trading, and new features and more accurate. But with that being said, we'll be right back when we're done hedging this account. Like, share, and subscribe. If you want to learn how to do this, you want to get the software, you want to buy the course, you can go to nfxandcrypto.com, and then you can also message me on WhatsApp and Telegram. In my WhatsApp and Telegram, I'm going to have a private group also. You will need at least $250 in your account. You can join with the broker that I use, Milga Markets, link in description. Join. Once you open your account, you can fund it with minimum $250, because that's how much you need in order to be able to copy my scalp trade and swing trades. And when you're done, send me a screenshot so I can add you to the private Telegram group, where we'll be giving scalp signals and swing signals and hedge signals in the Telegram group. Okay, we'll be giving that in the Telegram group. And yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, there you go. So we're totally hedged out on this trade. Boom. There you go, with $3,000 profit. If you want to learn how to hedge, if you want to learn how to make money while covering the loss on your account, just like my students do, go to nfxandcrypto.com, buy the course, and get the software also that does all the analysis, tells you when to buy, when to sell, tells you where to hedge, where to exit your trade, does all the analysis for you, and you can be popping out in profits like this. Like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another video next time.